Hello students, good morning. Once again I welcome you in the today's science class. You know that up to the last time we complete the backside exercise of our lesson number 3. Here I want to give you one important information. In our science copy, at least all the check your knowledge or short answer, long answer, they must be noted by all of you. No need to write exercise in your copy. मीन्स हमारे कहने का मतलब कि आपकी कॉपी के अंदर चेक योर नॉलेज, शॉर्ट आंसर, लॉन्ग आंसर, इतना होमवर्क कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. एक्सरसाइज वगैरह डायरेक्टली आप बुक से कंप्लीट करें, बट बी केयरफुल. अगर आपके पास ओल्ड बुक है तो हमारे साथ आंसर चेक करिए. हो सकता है बाय मिस्टेक कोई रॉन्ग आंसर है. डू करेक्ट दिस. ओके, नाउ वी कंटिन्यू विद आवर नेक्स्ट वर्क. आज के लिए हम अपना नेक्स्ट वर्क शुरू कर रहे हैं. दैट इज अबाउट द शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चंस. कल हमने इसका ट्रू फॉल्स तक का लास्ट बता दिया था आपको. नाउ दिस इज अबाउट द short answer type questions. Short answers type questions. In which your question number first. Question number first, look in the book. और आंसर 1 is available here. Question is, what are man-made fibers? Give examples. Now look, fibers made by made from chemicals, made from chemicals. Made from chemicals are known as man-made fiber or artificial fiber. Artificial fibers. Please remember here two terms. Man-made fiber or artificial fibers, both are same. Now our next, that is question number 2. Question number 2, look in the book. Answer on the board. Why do we need blend fibers? Name one blend fiber. Answer, we need to blend fibers. We need to blend fibers because we need to blend fibers because number first point is to change the quality of fiber. To change the quality of the fiber. Second number, they are cheaper and more durable. Cheaper and durable. Next number, that is one example also asking, that is the polycot. As the name indicates, polycot combined with the polyester and cotton. In bracket we will write polyester plus cotton. Please try to understand. Example is polycoat. Its constituents are polyester and cotton. This is your answer number. Second is complete here. Now look, we are going to start our now third answer. Answer number third. Before it, as you know, this is question 3. Answer is available here. Answer number third is in this manner. Question is, nylon fibers are used to making ropes for climbing mountains. Explain. क्वेश्चन का मीन्स ये कह रहा है कि नाइलॉन फाइबर्स की जो रॉक्स होती हैं वो माउंटेन पर चढ़ने के लिए काम आती है, इसकी वजह पूछ रहे हैं. एक्सप्लेन व्हाई. आंसर होगा आपका इस तरीके से. यस, नाइलॉन फाइबर इज used for making ropes for climbing mountain. For climbing mountain, because it is stronger than steel wire. It is stronger than steel wire of comparable size. And is easier to handle. This is your question language. Nylon fiber is used for making ropes for climbing mountain, because answer start from your main answer. It is stronger than steel wire of comparable size and is easier to handle. This is our answer number third is complete here. Next, that is the answer number 4. Sir, please first we want to read the question. What is specialty of fiber used for making an umbrella? अम्ब्रेला बनाने के लिए जो फाइबर्स काम में लिए जाते हैं उनकी क्या स्पेशल खास बात होती है? दिस इज आवर आंसर नंबर 4. Look here, that is the question number 4, that is answer 4 available here. Yes sir, please look. Fibers used to make umbrella contains millions of tiny holes. Millions of tiny holes. First point. This is the first point. Second one, it allows air to flow freely. Air to flow freely through it. Or third point, it does not allow UV rays to pass through it. It does not allow UV rays, means ultraviolet rays. It does not allow UV rays to pass through it. To pass through it. These are the 3 points. These are 3 points which must be contain the fiber used to making umbrella. umbrella बनाने के लिए जो भी हम फाइबर यूज करते हैं उनके अंदर ये सारी क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए. दोबारा बता रहा हूं मैं. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, फाइबर यूज टू मेक अम्ब्रेला कंटेन मिलियंस ऑफ टिनी होल्स. फर्स्ट पॉइंट यहां से शुरू होगा आपका. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन लैंग्वेज. कंटेन्स मिलियन ऑफ टिनी होल्स. Second number, it allows air to flow freely through it. Third point, it does not allow UV rays to pass through it. In this way, our 4 questions are completed here now. Okay, this is enough for today. You will complete it and write in your copy, and possible then learn it also. Thank you very much. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you very much.